Today we take a look at the VEVOR Pneumatic Double Diaphragm Pump. So we got our instructions. Wow, that is a big boy. And there is the pump. So we do have a muffler on here. And that just spins right off, so it'll be nice and easy to clean. Got a couple of mounting points on the bottom. Those are about 8 3/4, and they're slotted front to back, so it's looking at about 7 inches to around 5.5. I do make these out of different materials, so this one is the all aluminum body. So for the size, this is going to be fairly light. You're also not going to have to worry as much about things like corrosion, and this is supposed to be able to put out 44 gallons per minute, which is really fast, especially for a pneumatic pump. We got our inlet in the back, we got our outlet out the top, and then a connection for the air supply there in the front. It also comes with a couple extra diaphragms, so in the event that you need to rebuild this, you're going to have everything you need for that. And we can also see we got an example diagram here. So the nice thing about this is it shows that this plug right here is connected to the same tube that the outlet is in. So if we didn't want the outlet to go at the top, if we wanted this to just go out the side, we could unplug this, put that here, and then use this as our main outlet. We got the exact same thing on the bottom. So if we didn't want it to go out the back, we just run it right out the side. So you have both the inlet and the outlet going right out the side. So it is just nice having some variety and options. Can see that is 1.5 NPT by 1 inch bar. I'm going to use that, and that appears to be a perfect fit. And if you want to, you can use pipe dope or Teflon tape. You don't normally have to with plastic, but that is a choice that you can make. All right, it's up with quite a bit of torque, and I got one more for the bottom.
I have a way to slice it, I just got to find the right spot.
This is a 1/2 inch NPT, so I'm going to use a reducer. This is 1/2 inch to 1/4. It's usually a good idea to put plumbing tape on here, but I'm just going to test it as is for right now. Start by priming it. I'm just going to try to fill up that tank. Amazing. Yeah, that thing pushes a ton of fluid. I have no idea, but that's one heck of a pump. So yeah, that is one awesome little pump.